Right, next up to the mic, please welcome Enbe. Round of applause for Enbe, please.
To be or not to be?
Maybe. Yo, make another round of applause for my brother, man. I tell him each and every day we're given life. Do you even realize that you're alive? See, this ain't real, this ain't living, this ain't life. See, you need to realize. No, see, it's evident we underanalyze. See, these elements could elevate your mind. See, there's a reason we're receiving every light. There's a meaning, I can see it in your eye. See, I ain't leaving till my breathing gets denied. But then I'm coming back and getting higher line. Sacred sign the Savior, tribe unified. Mega much true monsters till the truth is testified. If you're looking for a roller coaster ride, then you've arrived. Serpent chasing tails, vicious circle won't unwind. Interpret the intelligence prevail from both sides. Overstand why I never understood goodbyes. It's lies, so rise right now. Cause we almost non-existent, time for us to make a difference. Wake up right now. See, I ain't talking race, religion, just the consciousness is an out. Falls down. See, I ain't talking dungeon dragon, that's the intro to what happen if we don't. Ain't now. I'm talking a world trade, we just need to reunite. My heavy out here with hallucination. Hidden horror, have a holding hesitation. Higher heaven into Hacienda Grace Lane. Hidden haze, with haunted haze, I'll take the base, man. A journey of justice, adjusting sin. A journey, my agenda did just jump in. A jungle of Jabberwockies and gin. I'll jabber these jokes like judo jello. Got some silly sing. Shamanic service I suspected from a seed soul. Surgeon spirit seeking stroll through separated seas. Such and simple from stupid I distill myself and seize the moments and from the source that someday someone never see. Made me misconstrue magic and what it means. Meditation commends your mouth with the monsters with melody. Mantras of mystic message, the message think make believe. Mandalas of magnetic matrix I'm morphing with ease. From the womb to the war, we woke and wanderer. Wounded healer, walk the world, I wish we're warrior. From the wells to wonderland, these wolves are watching us. Walking ways and witty wishes, thinking we're down. Now, it's a battle of becoming what we were from the beginning with that sound. It's just frequencies and fractals, Fibonacci forming castles from the moon down. I'm the human form of Leo, got my lions in that trio hunting strong ground. It's a journey full of lessons, breaking walls, I'm seeking essence as I bloom. Love. I love you all, man.
I love you too.
See, it's just, but it's gonna get fucking disgusting now. See, it's just talk to Bay, correlate. Scream your rights, but what a day. Scripted, could be fatal, you manifesting everything that you think. It's just snoozing, no way. Human, no remake. Time to kick that stone over, flick the page. Grab the hand of any human, let's heal this space. Is it high grade, is it laced? Migraine or the break in this DLG domain that I create. Demonic home in the Amma's face. Over, too late. Can be culture, can be race. Fuck the taser, smell the mason, martial arm with my move like snake. If you don't know who you are or where you are, there's something wrong, don't play along. From the Pentagon, Vatican, higher echelon. Babylon gave birth to the demagogue. Native feel slave ship that moved on to Lebanon, we need a revolution. Therefore for warner, you damaged and warn you, just a veteran with a medal on. Don't ever fear the end of life, you're never gone. You a starlight with the best of them. Soul and spirit like a Megatron. You a geometrical star tetrahedron. This just level 1 that don't sleep yet. This medicine won't heal jack. Jill full of pills and in prescription pay. They want you to see how the dust of this out. Either way they just cutting you out. They just see us as cutting they louse. We don't ask no more, just pray. Hope this false deity show us the way at this stricken cave where we got a slave to pay. Don't resonate to the frequencies they play. Distortion, disturbance, electroconverters. Swear menace will surface, insanity kicks in and we become servants. From a kingdom to a circus, dressed up like clown with a serpent. Told me that paper the permit, but this payment worthless until life is purchased, so fuck 'em.
Bang it.
One more, we have to move on.
Yo, can you do reloads on the points?
See, I'm feeling nauseous from all this darkness, their highness. A little scared, but I'm prepared for these iguanas. These serpents serving, sacrificing us on purpose for a purpose that has no coexistence that had the earthwork. My sixth sense infrared and shadow lurkers, yeah. Shit is intense, but I'm too grown to nurture. Tetrahedron Gordon speeding in my mouth. But it's just before they murk us. Ow. My monopoly, I'm sick of being property. These parasites will paralyze my prophecy. Pelican vision, terrorists on television. That divide, terrorize, we oblige, pay commission. It's conspiracies and facts, they just make up words like text. Now we literally pay for our existence. Poison what you want, and it's a wonder we can function. Yo, an enemy actually by the collapse is like soul contract. It is telecontact, concave, hollow flat with the true fact. Every day we're giving life, but they give a little break. Give them what they want and we fucking abuse that. Delude them with something dumb until eyes roll back. Riddles and conundrum till my mind go blank. Flower to a cloud, me and Mary go way back. Little conscious, little crazy, compact in some bubble wrap. My best teacher was my last mistake. No time for watching wishes off this dinner plate. Surpassed my last, I got whiplash today. I fell awake into this ocean of devotion as I meditate. Levels to loyalty, this oil see that elevate. Kundalini, see Houdini up on heaven's gate. Club, clap, 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 clap. Ticking, I got time away. See, patience got the blueprint for my great escape. So watch what happen when I start slaying these dragons dedicated to divine. I start running these rings like Saturn, won't be laughing. Zoo got more than some giraffes and can't be lying to no lion giants on the road to Zion. Wandering these rabbit, oh, I got my eye in. Conjuring his body, soul, and mind of Mayans. Blaspheming these libby caps and multiplying. Lucid learning, solitude got me confirming now who I am. Belt of Orion, these within cosmic alliance. God that's up in the flesh, ain't nothing less than total vibrant. So listen to your heart and not your See, I was searching for an answer, but it was already there. Love you all, man.
Yeah.